In this segment, we are now going to address finishing your work at the ridge and putting ridge caps on to finish your job. One point that I might mention about the handling of materials: when you bring boxes of shingles up onto the roof, one thing that I like to do is to leave one banding strap around the box. That way I can make myself kind of a hinged lid. This helps to keep the shingles in the box, and it also has the added advantage of when you're not presently taking some shingles out of the box, you can put the lid back over the top and shield those shingles from the sun. Obviously, the shingles can get very hot in the sun, and it's nice to keep them under the cardboard so that they are not so hot when you take them out of the box. Now you can see that we have set up for demonstration purposes a couple of shingles here representing the top course as we come up to the ridge. It must be emphasized that the ridge caps do not make the ridge watertight. We need to cover the ridge with metal, either with a shingle or with coil stock. And some of the method that you choose may hinge on where the top course falls, that is, how close to the ridge it is. You need to remember that the ridge cap is perhaps around 10 inches wide, depending on the product. So that much of the ridge is going to be covered, and you may take that into consideration when you think about how much is going to be exposed on either side of the cap.
Best Buy Metals is a nationwide distributor of KasselWood Steel Shingles, along with other premium metal shingles manufactured by Isaiah Industries. Specializing in superior customer support and service, Best Buy has a team ready to help you determine the ideal roofing solution for your project. With core values such as committed customer service, expert-level knowledge, and creativity, along with over 50 years of combined experience, Best Buy's team is the perfect partner to ensure your project goes smoothly. Contact Best Buy Metals today at 1-800-728-4010 or online at www.bestbuymetals.com.